Pay attention to this. This news from JAMB just broke, and I think it's a good news because it will give you the opportunity to rewrite your JAMB. Your 2025 JAMB. Just pay attention. You are hearing it for the first time. JAMB just broke this information few minutes ago. JAMB announces MOP-UP examination for absent candidates. JAMB announces MOP-UP examination for absent candidates. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, I'm just reading it as the way JAMB gave the official statement for you. So just give me your attention. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board has announced a fresh round of MOP-UP examinations to accommodate the over 5.6% of candidates who missed the just concluded 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Exam. Pay attention, I will explain. So they are giving you an opportunity to rewrite JAMB. An opportunity to rewrite your JAMB. Just pay attention. JAMB Registrar, Professor Ishaq Oloyede, this is a man we have always, the Oga Katakpata, the general, the highest ranking officer in JAMB, made the disclosure on Wednesday. I'm making this video on a Wednesday. I don't know the particular day you are watching this very video, but on Wednesday, he said during a stakeholders meeting in Abuja, you know that today we were expecting that JAMB will give an official release of the JAMB results, right? We're expecting that they will give an official release of the result today. However, instead of the result coming out, the JAMB stakeholders met, and this is what they are saying. They're saying that made the disclosure on Wednesday during a stakeholders meeting. So in a meeting they held today, they said that, stating that the initiative will cover all affected candidates regardless of the reason for the absence, whether you are in Lagos or whether you are in Abuja or whether you are in Enugu or whether you're in Katsina, Kano, Sokoto, no matter your location in the country, as far as you registered for the JAMB and pay attention, as far as you registered for the JAMB and you missed the JAMB, maybe there was any reason why you missed the JAMB or any reason that made you not to write when you were supposed to write, maybe there were technical glitches, any problem at all, this is your chance. Now, this is what Professor Ishaq said. This time, we are creating a new MOP-UP. Even those who missed the earlier exam due to absence will get another opportunity. So JAMB is giving you another opportunity to rewrite JAMB. How do you feel about it? Are you happy? If you are happy, ask me your questions. Tell me. If you miss it, please rush to the comment now and tell me your state. Tell me your state, or if you scored low and you want to rewrite, tell me right now so that we can begin to give you necessary information and give you the guidance you need. Now look at what he said. He said it's not extraordinary. In any serious system, when students miss an exam, they are allowed to make up, provided there is no abuse. So, you know the way JAMB exam this year has been. So they are giving you the opportunity to make up. They are just trying to patch up the already broken system that they gave us. Okay, and I think it's something you should maybe be happy about. It's an opportunity for more people to actually write JAMB. Oloyede emphasized that the UTME is a placement test, not a measure of intelligence or academic potential. What does it mean? It means that the JAMB exam is actually just an exam to place you in the school you will study. It's not a measure of whether you are smart or dumb. It's not a measure of whether you will succeed in life or whether you will not. So let nobody go and buy him or herself because of JAMB. I hope you are understanding. Its purpose is to rank candidates for limited admission slots, not to test how smart someone is. So he is saying that you should not kill yourself because of JAMB score, even though they are giving you an opportunity to actually rewrite, sit if you miss the exam. So he clarified that the purpose of this UTME, this JAMB, is to place you. There are limited opportunity for people to enter school I mean, there are limited university, limited polytechnic, limited colleges of education, but this, they just write this JAMB in order to fish out those that can fit into university, those can fit into this course and all the rest. So it's not a measure of whether you will succeed in life or not. Of course, in this channel, our goal and everything I've always told you is that you will score in your JAMB. Nothing will stop you from getting admission this year, and I want you to claim it. Type "I claim it" in the comment section. Nothing will stop you from getting admission this year. When others are smiling, you will be one of them. Can I hear you type "I claim it"? Just type "I claim it" in the comment section. Addressing growing criticism and conspiracy theories about the examination process, Oloyede firmly rejected claims of ethnic bias or administrative incompetence. Okay, so he's saying that they did not do it to sabotage the Easterners, the Ndi Igbo people. There's been this widespread cry that the glitch that happened happened only in the southeastern part, was just against the Igbos. But he's emphasizing, I don't know whether we should accept it, but he's emphasizing that it is not against any tribe or people. He stated, "I take responsibility, not because I failed, but because that is leadership." So he's saying that he takes responsibility for what happened in this year's JAMB, and he's trying to mend it. So I think your own part is not whether to agree with him or not, whether to be angry with him or not, but just to, if you are affected, to take advantage of this second opportunity to rewrite JAMB. "I didn't even realize people viewed issues around me through ethnic lenses. We must rise above such profiling." So this one, okay, let's just move on. Oloyede also praised both candidates and staff for their resilience amid logistical difficulties. If you have any issue rewriting your JAMB, maybe you were among those that were given opportunity to rewrite, but because of your WAEC or you couldn't travel because the notice came so late, this is your chance. This is your chance. If you want me to give you the dates and all the rest, ask your questions. So he said, "We had limited space." The news is still going. "We had limited space. We know if we wasted more time grieving the challenges, students would lose their opportunity," he said. "We had limited space. We know if we wasted more time grieving the challenges, students will lose their opportunity." So he said, instead of JAMB trying to grieve, cry about how this one was done, this one, they are trying to remedy it. And your own, like I've always said, all of you in this YouTube channel, your own is to take advantage of this opportunity, write your JAMB, and I know you will score high. And I want you to type "I claim it." Tell me the subjects you are writing. Please mention the subjects you are writing in the comment section so that I can begin to guide you, okay? The special MOP-UP exam will be scheduled soon. So at the moment, JAMB has not given us the official date and time and venue for you. But of course, they will say about reprinting, they will say things like a timetable, they will still give you your venue and all the rest. So for you to get the accurate information as soon as JAMB offers it for you, just go ahead and join our YouTube channel. Click on join, then like this video. Click on like this video now. Share this video, please. Share this video on YouTube, copy the link to this video, share it across board, share it everywhere on WhatsApp, share it to your friends, everybody that wrote JAMB, let them watch this video. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type "I have subscribed." I want to see you join. Just click on join. If you want me to guide you, click on join, then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, come under the comment and tell me that you have subscribed, and I will keep on guiding you. Okay, there's a video on the screen. Just click on it right now and watch.